let's talk about how you can maximize your water drinking to maximize proper hydration. Most of my patients are consuming the right amount of water, but they're doing it the wrong way. The number one wrong way that I'm seeing right now is that my patients are flavoring their water with these Mio water flavoring packets. And I will tell you, as I've told them, absolutely not. Can you be continuing to use these, as every single ingredient listed, for the most part, is a toxin. They're not going to help benefit your health in any way, shape, or form. And I understand that water is not the tastiest thing, and especially when I'm asking you to have at least 2 to 3 liters of it, it's not going to be ideal to have it plain all the time. But what I'm stopping all of my patients from doing immediately, and what I want you to stop drinking, are these Mio flavor water packets. And we're going to go through the ingredients together so I can show you what it is that you're putting into your water. And we're going to be talking about some natural ways that you can flavor your water afterwards. So the first ingredient that we're going to see is water, and that's fair. But the other ones are the ones that I'm really concerned about, especially when we get into the natural flavoring. And like anything with 0 calories, you always have to be looking out for sucralose and aspartame. And lo and behold, these Mio drinks have both in them. Of course, a lot of patients, especially my diabetics, think that because there's 0 calories that it's going to be good for their blood sugar. Aspartame and sucralose have no place in anybody's diet, and all they are is just a toxic chemical sugar. Your body will not metabolize the sugar the same as natural sugars, nor will it detoxify these sugars from your body the same as natural sugars. These just disrupt everything, and they will make the changes that you're trying to do for your body a lot harder the more you consume these things. So please, if it says 0 calories, stay away from it. Do not believe that they're healthy choices for you. And then, of course, the next things we're seeing is polysorbate 60, red 40, and blue number 1. And these are just chemical dyes that they're adding to make the Mio flavoring look a little bit nicer, look a little bit more inviting, and make the water potentially a little bit more inviting to drink. What I will say to you is your body does not care what color the food is. It just wants the hydration, and it just wants the nutrients. So please don't be putting these toxic dyes into your body either, because they are not doing you any good, and they're not doing your health any good. And then finally, we see the potassium sorbate, which is a preservative. Again, if it's an all-natural food that's good for you, they shouldn't be using preservatives like that in them. So please, based on everything that we've just reviewed, I can't find one good reason for my patients to be taking the Mio water flavoring packets, nor can I see any good reason for you to be doing it. So what are the alternatives? Well, I'll tell you. You can naturally flavor your water with sweeteners like honey or some natural maple syrup. I often put a spritz of lemon or lime into my water just to give it a bit of a different taste. I will have patients put mint leaves or other type of herbs into their water to change the taste. There's all natural ways that you can do this. You don't need to be consuming chemicals in order to enjoy your water again. And please remember that your water intake is included in any herbal tea that you're having. It's included in the water that you're mixing into your smoothies or protein shakes or juices. So please don't think that water has to be just plain water in order for it to count. Those other resources you can certainly use to add a little bit of spunk to your water and make sure that you're maximizing on your hydration in order to maximize on your drinking, in order to maximize on your health. Any questions you have for me, please don't hesitate to ask, and I'll be seeing you next week with our latest video. Have a happy and healthy day.